Found a CNM file in your Panda Security quarantine folder and wondering what to do? These are potentially malicious files isolated by the antivirus software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to handle these Panda Security quarantine files. I always keep an advanced utility on hand for CNM files that resist standard opening. I'll introduce you to this master key later in the guide. A CNM file is a potentially malicious file that has been quarantined by Panda Security antivirus software. Users encounter this file when the software detects a threat and isolates it to prevent harm. The primary user intent is to understand the threat, restore the file if it's a false positive, or permanently delete it. The CNM format is a proprietary container designed by Panda Security to safely store and neutralize threats. The original file's data is encrypted or obfuscated and bundled with metadata about the detection, threat name, original location. This design prevents the file from being executed accidentally while allowing the antivirus to manage it. The default, recognized opener for CNM files is known to be Panda DOM from Panda Security. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows may show the file name, but the content remains inaccessible without proper keys or software. Let's check the software compatibility matrix. Right-click your CNM file, then click Open With. Test Panda DOM if you see it. If it fails, select the next program. This systematic testing is key. If the CNM file still will not open, there is no need to stress. The fact that the file is stubborn means we need to look at 3 predictable errors. Here's a simple, short list of the common culprits and how to check them on your system. First, managing through Panda Security. Open Panda Security antivirus software and navigate to the Quarantine section. The application lists all CNM quarantined items with details about detected threats. Use the interface to restore false positive detections to original locations or delete confirmed threats permanently from your system. Next, restoring false positives. If Panda Security incorrectly flagged a legitimate file as a threat, use the restore function in the quarantine view. Confirm the action and Panda Security decodes the CNM file, restoring the original content to its previous location. Add the file to exclusions to prevent future quarantine. Finally, submitting for analysis. For unknown files, submit CNM samples to Panda Security Threat Analysis through the application's submission feature. Their security researchers analyze suspicious files and update detection signatures accordingly. This contributes to the broader security community while resolving uncertainty about specific quarantined items. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. If you found the instructions clear, please like the video and subscribe for new content every week.